I think down is, yeah, it started recording, I think.
Yes, okay, fine, no problem. Yes, yes. This header part consists of metadata and your
Mm-hmm.
CSS files and your script files.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, fine, right?
Okay. Yeah.
It's everything like this. Metadata and all, it's for SEO. You don't need to worry about this. We'll tell you later. And CSS file means style
Okay.
files, and script file means
Yeah.
JavaScript files.
Okay.
You got right?
Yeah.
Where we'll put all this stuff. Okay, and these CSS and script files we can put inside the body also.
Okay.
HTML is not strongly typed language.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, where you need to put like this, it won't restrict you to work with this. If you're not putting,
Mm-hmm.
it's okay. See, just assume that I was giving this h1 tag,
Okay.
and I'm not given a closed h1.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, even though if I
Okay.
go and run, it treats as an h1 only.
Yeah.
Seen right?
Yeah.
Even though if you are not giving a closed tag, it works. Why? Because HTML is not strongly typed language.
Okay.
Okay, and we'll see. I'm not going to discuss much more about the things of HTML. I'll be
Mm.
covering what is JavaScript and why we are going to use that JavaScript.
Okay.
Okay, what is the JavaScript
Yeah.
first? What do you have any idea?
No.
No. See, a JavaScript. JavaScript is a client side event handling, event driven or element handling mechanism.
Okay.
Okay, JavaScript is a file where it is a scripting language
Okay.
which works on front end part. Do you know what is a front end and back
Mm.
end?
Yeah. Yeah. I know. UI.
Yeah, wait. See, this is where you can see the front end and back end. I'll show you a small diagram.
Okay.
Okay, see,
Okay.
this is my browser.
Okay.
Okay, this is my browser. This is my
Okay.
server.
Server.
Okay,
Okay.
this is my database.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, whenever you are hitting this URL, hello,
Yeah. Hello.
getting some disturbance from your end.
1 second. Hello.
Yeah, it's fine now.
Hello. Now it's
Yeah,
fine.
yeah,
Okay.
it's fine now. See, whenever you hit this URL, This is called URL. Okay,
Okay.
that is called URL. What we treat as an URL. See, in a browser URL, whenever you hit that, okay, let's assume index.html.
Okay.
Whenever you hit this URL, your browser will read this URL
Okay.
and it goes to that specific file. What we are hitting, index.html. Okay,
Okay.
it comes to here and it is trying to execute line by line code.
Okay.
Okay, and what HTML is, plain HTML is a front-end technology.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, not a back-end technology. So
Yeah. Okay.
all our HTMLs will be worked on a browser only. It will not it will not go to any server or database.
Okay.
Okay, so .html file have an eligibility of working on browser, not on server and database.
Okay.
When we are going for server and when we are going for the database, see, we have PHP, Java, something, any server technologies.
Yeah. Java.
Yeah, Java is there, right? Java, Servlet, JSP, anything else?
Yeah. Yeah.
What Servlet?
Yeah. JSP.
Yeah, Servlet and JSP are J2EE technologies, Java to Enterprise Edition.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
what Java to Enterprise Edition treats as an means these are server side technologies.
Yes.
Okay, means they worked on here in the server side.
Mm-hmm.
See,
Yeah.
whenever I'm giving some .jsp or .srv means it is hitting the URL and it browser reads the URL
Mm-hmm.
and is there any database connections or any server calls, it
Okay.
okay, it goes to server.
Yeah.
If
Fine.
any database is required, means any database operations are required, it goes to database
Mm.
and it returns some data and server returns some data and will put it to browser.
Good. Okay.
Okay, see, means
Yeah.
this is the front end and this is the back end.
Mm-hmm.
This all together we treat as an back end.
Okay.
Okay, okay. This everything we call it a front end.
Front end.
Okay, this everything we call it as a back end.
Back end.
Fine, right? Don't have
Yeah.
any miscommunication within front end and back end.
Yeah. It's fine.
Okay, I'll tell a simple thing. Do you know about forms? Did you fill any forms?
Yeah.
Forms, I think so. You filled so
Email
many
is.
forms.
Yeah.
Username,
Yeah.
password,
Yes. Yes.
submit button.
Yes. Yes.
You did right.
Login. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, login, log out, something.
Mm-hmm.
See, let's assume that I have a form.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just explaining. I'm not went into a subject. I'm just giving you a data. Means how the front end
Yeah.
will works and how the back end will works.
Yes.
See, this is what means this explanation, this demonstration. What you will get is what you are going to learn in your entire course structure.
Okay.
Okay, and you don't need to hesitate and you don't need to wait until the doubt has been cleared. If you have any doubt, immediately raise, no problem.
Yes. Sir.
Okay, see,
Yeah.
you go to any Gmail or else you need to enter your username and you need to enter your password and
Awesome.
you are just clicking on login.
Yeah.
Okay, that Gmail is not a only client side. It has a, we know, right, it is not a client side. It will be having a backend and it will be having a server and it will be having database. We don't know whatever it has.
Mm.
So but we'll be
Mm-hmm.
seeing only front end, means we'll be seeing
Front end.
only this one, only this part.
Yeah.
This part
You.
only we are
Yeah.
going to see. We don't know what
Yeah.
technologies they are using and what the thing we are it is going on backend and when on. We'll be treating as an, we'll
Mm.
be giving username, we'll be giving a password, we'll be clicking on login. Either this is true,
Mm.
it is taking to our next page, otherwise it will be giving that username and password, anything has got an error.
Yeah.
Correct, right?
Yeah.
So here, what is the front end technologies and what is the back end technology? Here comes the JavaScript mainly.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, for handling an events,
Yeah.
for handling an errors, for handling your outputs, for handling your events. Mainly we call it as JavaScript is for handling events.
Okay.
So what is the event here? Login is an event.
Mm-hmm.
Login means there is a button. We are clicking that button. Button click as an event.
Yeah.
On click of
Even.
that
Okay.
button, we are checking username and password and we are sending the data to server. Correct, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Without checking also we can send the data.
Mm-hmm.
Means whether user enter data or not, we can send directly to the data, to the service. But
Okay.
here
Mm-hmm.
for checking the front end mechanisms, see, I'll show you a Gmail mechanism. See here, I entered something. See,
Okay.
are you seeing right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm clicking next. It is saying could not find
Okay.
your account.
Yes.
Means, see, I'll show you this. Don't be confused. I'm not showing any wrong thing.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever we have, that is only I'm showing.
Okay.
Console is disabled. Okay, no problem. You don't need to worry about this. See, if I'm clicking something here, it could not find your account. Means this is an
Account.
error message.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is my email.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whenever I am clicking on next, it is saying that I am not finding your account ID.
Account. Mm-hmm.
And if I'm giving at the rate and clicking on next, so enter a valid email or phone.
Mm-hmm.
You got right. See,
Yeah.
I'm giving at the rate means email structure should be user ID, domain,
After that. Yeah.
domain
.com.
dot
Mm-hmm.
com or dot co dot in. Means this call
Yeah.
as an username means ID
Mm-hmm.
and it
Yeah.
this is an at the rate, this is a domain, this is a extension.
Mm-hmm.
It reads like this, right? So we are
Yeah.
just giving at the rate and we are clicking next. So it is saying that enter a valid email address and password. Means it
Yeah.
is handling and front end.
Yes.
So you got right. It is not went any call
Yeah.
to backend service because of
Mm-hmm.
it is not a valid email address.
Valid. Yeah.
We know, right? We know that. Means email
Yes.
ID email ID should have one at the rate. Email ID should have a
Mm.
domain name dot one
Mm.
extension. So at the rate
Yes.
and some content and dot and some content should be there.
Yes.
That is a basic pattern we know.
Yeah.
Correct, right? So
Yeah.
that we known factors we can deliver it from front end itself. We can handle it from front end itself.
Mm.
Okay,
Yeah.
that
Okay.
is where JavaScript comes into picture.
Okay.
Okay, you got right.
Okay. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, JavaScript is an client side technology, client side scripting
Mm.
level technology where we can handle events.
Events. Okay.
Correct, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, from this course you're going to learn. You'll be learning the things called. You want this diagram?
Yeah, I took it in a note.
You take it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. No problem. I'll be wrapping it off.
Okay.
Okay. In this course, what you're going to learn is, from my perspective, first why JavaScript you know already.
Yeah.
Okay, and where we use it, you know,
Mm.
this is also you know already.
Yes.
Yes, and
Yeah.
now simply if we go to document model.
Mm.
Okay, document model, and
Okay.
after the document model you will be learning about what is a variables, no, comments. Okay, variables,
Okay.
and uh, what we can say that where we can write JS scripts, means how many ways, it means to say how many ways,
Okay.
how many ways we can write
Yes.
JS. And
Okay.
going further, variables, comments, and functions. Okay, and events, and what we can say,
I
the
think they have. I think they have sent an mail regarding the course details and all.
is it you have that? Yes,
Yeah. Yeah.
alert boxes. Okay, no, that is okay, but what means in first half what you are going to learn, like that I'm saying, means I'll be
Yeah.
dividing this entire thing into three parts, three levels.
Okay.
First level is the introduction level, mid level, and end level.
Okay.
Okay, alert boxes,
Okay.
and one more is alert boxes. Means yeah, first we'll concentrate on first 9. Okay,
Okay.
this is the this is where it makes you to comfort in JavaScript first.
Okay.
So okay, so after learning this we'll be concentrating on like function calls. You don't need to worry. I'm just telling about if you are getting something different, means if you are not listening these words, it's okay, no problem.
Yeah. I heard this.
Yeah, function calls everywhere it is there.
Yeah.
Okay, and some advanced concepts.
Mm-hmm.
Some advanced concepts. After this level, we'll be having a outstanding level. It's in next level, mid level. Here you are going to learn prototype programming, closures. This is very important for interviews and all. It's very important for working domain, working technologies, and callback methods, callback functions, and whatnot. We have so many things. Going further in advanced level.
Okay.
Okay, in mid level, see, in the first level you're going to comfort in JavaScript. Okay,
Okay.
second level you will be mainly focused on functions and variables, and where how to call the functions and where to use this, and what is the JavaScript mechanisms, and how the events works and all. Okay, in advanced level you will be learning about prototype, closures, and callback methods, data function, anonymous functions, function inside a function. We have so many things to discuss in advanced levels.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
this is what I'm planning. Are you okay with this?
Yeah. Fine.
Do you feel comfort, or else you want any much explanation? As a just demo session, right? I have
Yeah.
given basic things.
Okay.
You'll be learning much more things apart from this.
Okay.
I promise. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
fine. Where are you from exactly?
Ballari, Karnataka.
Karnataka, Ballari. Okay, fine, no problem.
You are from?
I'm from Bangalore.
Local.
Not local. I'm working in. I'm from AP. I'm from Bangalore something.